Welcome to our channel. It's time for a little orange and black. It's bold, cinematic and sexy. Every Wednesday and Thursday, we'll help you improve your Instagram page photos with Lightroom mobile presets. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to edit this bold preset and make your photos pop. This orange and black preset will take your IG photos to the next level. First, let's go to Light. Change exposure to -0.3. Contrast to +70. Highlights to -35. Shadows to +20. Whites to -60. Blacks to +25. Next, go to Point Curve. Follow these steps to adjust the point curve. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button as it helps us create more content like this. On Sundays, check out our Dollar Tree DIYs. Next Wednesday we'll explore the cinematic colors to bring life into your photos. Let's move on to color. Change the tint to +1. Adjust the vibrance to +36. And the saturation to +15. Now let's dive into the color mixer. Go to red. Change the saturation to -25. Luminance to -15. Go to orange. Set the hue to -15. Saturation to -20. Luminance to +15. Go to yellow. Hue to -100. Saturation to +25. Luminance to +25. Go to green. Saturation to -100. Go to aqua. Hue to -75. Saturation to +25. Luminance to -25. Go to blue. Saturation to -100. Go to purple. Saturation to -100. Go to magenta. Saturation to -100. Next, let's go to Effect. Change texture to +20. Clarity to +50. Dehaze to +100. Go to Split Tone. Change the hue to 215 and the saturation to 10 for the highlights. Go to Detail. Adjust the noise reduction to 40. Change the color noise reduction to 40. And we're done. You can copy these settings to any other photo like this. Or save a new preset like this, for easy access for future Lightroom edits. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below a color style that you would like to see featured in a future video. Next week check out our class cinematic preset. See you in the next one.